Sorry, so our last video got cut off. So we had 6 divided by 3 equals 2, and then we see 2 zeros, so we want to add our extra 0. Right, so this is the opposite of multiplication. We are doing the division, so we are breaking it apart. How many groups can we make? And you guys can pause the video and go ahead and try this one by yourself, or you can work with me. 10 divided by 5. So if I have 10 things and I want to put them in 5 groups, all right, I have 10 pieces of candy and I have 5 groups. How many are going to get put into each group? Or you can also think of it as 5 times which number equals 10. And we know that 5 times 2 equals 10. So 10 divided by 5 also equals 2. All right. Now, this is where it gets tricky. We are working with the number 10. Okay, so 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So this time we're not going to keep adding the zeros. We have to make sure we find our 10 first. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And then how many zeros are outside of the 10? There's only 1 0 outside of the 10, so it equals 20. Okay, and then when you do this one, find your 10 first. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And then how many zeros are left over? Oh, 2 zeros are left over, so there's 2 zeros in your problem. Now, looking at our problems right here, back to our very first problem that we worked on, these can be tricky because we are estimating. We are not getting the exact answer because it's not a whole number. We will be working on this in small group. If you are having trouble with your workbook pages, I don't want you to go ahead and keep doing them struggling. Send me a message, come on Google Hangout and let me know, and we can work on these together. We will be working on them in small group. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday this week, we will be working on small group. So we can get extra practice on this if we are confused.